Hi everyone! So this video is for all the haters, for all the non-believers, about my previous video where I was showing how to resurface a scratched CD, game, DVD, movie, whatever. And I was using Medal of Honor, and people didn't believe I was able to make this game work again. Some claimed I had 2 games and faking it, but it's true. So in this video, I'm just gonna show you guys how real this is and how easy it is. So step 1, check if the game is working. Reading disk, and there we have it. And I will not be cutting. This is gonna be one long video. There's no cuts. It's just one long video, no cheating, nothing. Still loading. And here we have it. English, blah, blah, blah. So it's working. I can get into the game. Okay, step number 2. Destroy the game, scratch the game so it won't play. And I'm gonna do that with the 2500 grit sandpaper. I'm just gonna scratch the DVD, the game with it, as it's the last sandpaper we are using in my tutorial. So I'm just gonna give it a good scratch here with it. And it should do so the laser cannot reach the data, and it should say cannot read the disk. I'm just gonna do this quick so you guys don't have to wait too much, because I'm not going to make any cuts in this movie. Okay, destroyed CD. Let's see if the PlayStation 2 can read it. Okay, let me just try it a different way. We're gonna do it like this, start it up like this to get the menu, and let's see what it's saying. There we have the menu. Okay, let's close the lid and browse. And let's see, where is the game? Reading disk, it's saying. Reading, is it loading? And I'm actually terrible sorry that I have to destroy this Medal of Honor once again after I just made it work. But I have to do this for you guys so you can see this method is actually working. And it's all about to make the plastic so polished so the laser in the PlayStation 2 or whatever game console you're using can read the data. Okay, I think we are stuck here. Like, it's just saying reading disk. Nothing is really happening. So the PlayStation 2 cannot read the game right now. So this would be like a scratch game. Like, it cannot read it. It cannot read the reach the data. So step number 3, repair the CD. And I'm gonna do that with my polishing machine. I'm gonna use a total new sponge, so there's no cheating. And I'm gonna use car polishing cream. Just a little bit. There we go. And the Medal of Honor. One game. The same game I was putting into the PlayStation 2. There's no cutting. This is real life, okay? We're just gonna spread this polishing material just a little bit out because we don't want it all in one place. This might take some time because I'm not going to cut the videos as I told to, so you might pass this, this time. Okay, let's clean it and see how it looks. It needs a little bit more. Okay, so I'm just gonna go wash it. I think that's better to put some water on it. And just look how shiny it is. I can still see some scratches. If it was me, I would have been polishing it a little bit more, but for you guys, I'm just gonna try it now. If it's not working now, we just have to polish it again, but let's see if the PlayStation can read the disc now. Reading disc, and there we have it. So this is not fake, there's no cuts, it's the same game. I didn't have two games. All I did was to use some sandpaper and then polish the surface. You see, I destroyed Medal of Honor after I just prepared it, and I restored it once again. Same method. Okay, it's just gonna stay there. Okay, let's check something else out. I have some more games here, like Grand Theft Auto, Star Wars. It can also not play. Like, if I take this, you can see this is badly scratched. I put it in, reset it. Closing the lid, let's see if it's playing. Reading disk. It didn't read last time, so yeah, this could not be read. Can you see that, guys? This could not be read, and that's just because of all the scratches. Okay, this is not having any deep scratches, so I'm not going to use the sandpaper. I'm just gonna go polish it right away. Okay, let's see if that's enough. So I'm just gonna use some water to just clean it off nice and slowly. Normally you want to rinse it off so you don't scratch it when you're removing the polishing material. So I'm just gonna do this really gentle. Okay, and what did this take? It took less than a minute, actually. I don't know if this is working, but let's see. Okay, I still have some scratches over here. I don't know if you guys can see them, but let's hope they are polished enough and not deep, too deep, so it can't read it. But let's see if this Grand Theft Auto is working. Reading disk. Whoa! What happened? Is it really working? I guess so. It does work. So that's 2 out of 2 games, guys. I think the myth is busted. Like, this is working. This is true. This is real life. This is not fake. Okay, last game. So that's 2 out of 2. We put them over here. So I have Lego Star Wars. Also a really bad scratched game, as you can see. Yeah. So let's just see if that one is playing. On this one, I would use some sandpaper. Yeah, I can actually do it. I have it right here. So I think I'm just gonna go right ahead and just do it. And then polish it. Like just a quick resurface. And polishing, and then see if it's playing. But let's see if this one is playing. If it can even read. This disc could not be read. Okay, so let's do our repair method and see if it's working. Let's put some water on, and here we go. Sorry, this might take some time because I'm not making any cuts in this video, because then I could cheat. I could have a second game, or I don't know. So this is 2500 grit sandpaper. You should not go below 2000 grit. You can use 2000, but don't go down to like 1500 or something like that. It's gonna be too hard to polish it afterward. I guess that's good enough. Okay, let's polish it and see what happens. I just gave this a little bit more because it was a bit more scratched than the other ones. So let's put some water on. And let's see what happens when we clean it off, if it's polished enough, if I'm happy with the result. Okay, I can still see some scratches, so I might have to polish it even more. But let's see what the PlayStation is saying. Reading disc. Oh, there we have it. Let's see if it's playing. I bet it is. It's working once again. So that makes it 3 out of 3 games. So here you have it, the proof. The legendary Medal of Honor I repaired the first time that people didn't believe. And then these 2 random games I had in my shelf. So this myth is confirmed, or what you call it, like it's true. Okay, so good luck, guys. Remember to subscribe and give me a like. I will do. I think I will do more videos. I will do this again, but I will do it with toothpaste instead of car polishing cream.